How's it going, guys? I've been watching about the clock capacitors in the Xboxes, and I had a couple that had never been opened up. Well, I went ahead and opened them up. Let me just show you first what I found. This area here. Let me see where it's already leaked around there. The clock capacitor I haven't even touched. It's kind of kicked over sideways, but you can feel it's all crunchy. It's already blowed apart. Let's see if I can get in closer. Yeah, it's already did pretty good bit of damage. I was just cleaning my systems up, and I wanted to. I did that Sega CD Model 1, and it had some busted caps in it, so I was just checking all my systems, and I remember Luke Morse saying something about these going bad, and you can just wiggle it. You can see now. I just pushed it, and the legs completely. Let's see if we can get in there. Yeah, the legs completely gone, and you can see how it's all corroded there. But I want to go ahead and pull the board, check up underneath the bottom of it, see if there's any corrosion down there, and neutralize all that. I've already got a new capacitor for it, and for my other ones too. I've already did them, but the caps on them wasn't leaking. I've just finished this one. This one's a I believe a 2004. Yeah. This one's a 2005 model. But yeah, guys, make sure you pull them caps out. And I like having my clock. I like having, like, when power goes off, I don't have to reset my stuff. They've got a coin cell trick where you can put a little plastic 3-prong thing in there and just put your rechargeable batteries in there and just change it out like you would on the Sega Saturn. But yeah, guys, you don't want to go through this mess, and it's lucky it hasn't eaten into anything, and it's it stayed up underneath the cap, just looked like the cap just dried out, and not really any. You can tell from the top there's not really any showings at all that this cap is bad. No indication, no swollen top, no swollen sides, but just whenever I touched it, I could feel that it wasn't connected but by one leg. Let's just wiggle it a little bit, get it off there. Check it out. Yeah, look at it. Just come through that other leg and just made it up. And you see it's a 2.5. But yeah, guys, see the area. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. Really happy with that because this is my first Xbox, and as you can see, it's old school. It's, let's check the chip. Conextant. I'll look in the forums and see if what version board this is. I know it's got to be a early model to have that fan and these type of heat sinks on there. But while I've got it down, I'm going to go ahead and change my my thermal paste on them. I've got some up here already, and get her back up and running. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. It's a little pay attention to your machines and give them TLC or they're going to break and leave you hanging. Peace out from Texas, guys.